Stuck inside your love cycle. I read your love Bible. We give the hug guidance. We give the hug.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Taysha. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. I'm back with another vlog for y'all. Oh, excuse me. It's going on 7 o'clock. It's Saturday. What's today's date? April 9th. And I'm just getting ready to go to the gym real fast. I'm only be there for like 45 minutes to an hour. They only want you to stay an hour. And I don't know, time just goes so slow when you're at the gym. I don't know about y'all, but I'm only still down 6 pounds. I haven't lost any more weight. I don't freaking know why. It's killing me. I've been up since maybe 6 o'clock just looking at cars, because you know your girl got her license now. It's hard shopping for a car, especially when you don't have no help. I don't know nothing about it. So, but yeah, I'm about to just go to the gym fast. I'm about to get dressed. Yeah, so I guess I'll be back later. Okay, y'all, I just got back from the gym. Okay, I just got back from the gym. I went to Target, and I want to show y'all what I got real fast. I got this iced coffee, Mr. Coffee iced. It makes iced coffee. I'm about to open it up real fast, cause y'all know I only like iced coffee. I was only at the gym for like 45 minutes, cause I walked there, and it took me about 10 minutes to walk there. Then I gotta walk back, so I feel like that's enough exercise. Y'all know what I'm saying? So yeah, 45 minutes is cool. I'm excited because every time I go to Target, this is there, and I'm like, nah. Oh, it comes with a cup. That's cute. It's cute. It comes with its own cup. Every time I go to Target, I would see it. What you doing? It's a later. There's nothing in there. Is it? Anyways, open it upside down. But I would keep going to Target, and I would be like, no, I don't need it. I'm not buying it. I don't need it. But then I was in Target today. What's this? And I was like, I'm doing it. I'm buying it. Oh, that's the coffee filter. So, might as well. Let me read the directions. Measure half a cup. What? I add water to this. Let me see.
For 12 o'clock.
Okay, I'm trying
Exactly.
Okay, I'm trying to do something.
No, 11 o'clock.
I just washed my hands when I was upstairs. Okay. Measure half a cup. Oh, it's this cup. Okay, I need to rinse it out real fast. Let me rinse the cup out and I'll be back. Alright, y'all. So say add water to the base. Oh! Hold on, let me put a little bit more in there. Alright. Add water. And then the coffee I chose was this Dunkin' Donuts French vanilla. So I say add a scoop, I think. Let me see the box. Hold up. think just 1 scoop. One serving, yeah. Alright, I got my coffee. But the filter, and this is a reusable filter, they say. This is just how I got in here, like it. Wait. Hold it. Shit, I guess, alright, let me just pour it in here. Need ice. And there's a line to fill it with ice right here. Okay, it's plugged in. Now what? It ain't doing nothing. I mean, it is doing something, but why is it so light? Hold it. I think I know that I did wrong. Let me pour this back in. Alright, now let's try it again. That look better. My ice is melting. Okay, this look better, y'all. Get my creamer. And I'm using this silk caramel creamer. Looks like it's almost done. Let's see. Okay. And then you just take it out and throw the thing away. Alright, let's pour some creamer in here. And then mix it. Okay, now let's taste. It's watery. I need some sugar. I don't even got any sugar. Put a little bit more creamer in there. No. I mean, it looked like iced coffee. I guess it do taste like iced coffee, like McDonald's iced coffee a little bit. I guess it tastes like Dunkin'. It is Dunkin' coffee. I'ma drink it though, but I don't really like it. I should have just stuck to the cold brew Starbucks coffee. And you know what it is what it is. Alright, y'all. So I'm about to make me some breakfast real quick. I'm gonna clean up my area and then I'm gonna make some potatoes and eggs. I don't know if I want to cut real potatoes or the home fried potatoes. I don't know yet. I'll come back and I'll let y'all know when it's time for me to eat. This video is at 6 minutes. Okay, this office is good. Okay, y'all. So I had to turn away because I'm facing the wrong way for the lighting. Please just ignore the mess. I'm going to be cleaning today, but I'm eating some eggs and potatoes right now. And then I think since I'm woke, since I just drink this coffee, or I'm still drinking the coffee, I think I'm going to try to clean my room up so I can put my desk together and then put my laptop and stuff on there. Then I'm going to do a makeup video. Then I don't know, I need to get in the shower. I need to wash my hair. I got the middle of my hair got a whole bunch of gel in it because before my hair was slicked back for a couple days. I had it slicked back. So not too much is going on right now. I'm gonna just finish eating my food. I got eggs and potatoes, and then I'll see y'all upstairs. I forgot I was vlogging once again. Vlogging's hard. As much as I like to vlog. I just got done doing this makeup look. And then I just posted some stuff on Instagram. Follow me at TAYSHATARAY. Wait, what's my... I don't even remember. Hold on. Why's the bright... Hold up. The brightness being down be throwing me off. I be thinking something's wrong. But Taysh _Taysh, I think, is my Instagram. I don't know. I'll put it somewhere here so y'all can follow me on Instagram. Yeah, I'm not doing nothing. I did this makeup look. Maybe I'll do a couple of TikToks since I got my makeup on. I need to put something else on. I need to change my clothes. And then, y'all, I'm not doing anything else. I'm probably about to send somebody some pictures because I like the way I look. I like the way I look. The way I look. Follow my Snapchat at TAYSHATARAY. TARAY. I'll be back, y'all. Okay, y'all. I ain't doing nothing. Actually, it's not even 5 o'clock yet. I think it is. It's 4:30. Hold it. Sorry, y'all. Just see my booty and everything. Anyways, it's 4. Can my phone go on? It's 4:39. And I feel like drinking, so I'm gonna take a few shots. I think I'm gonna take a few shots. I want to listen to music, so that's probably what I'm gonna do. All right, I'm gonna take a few shots and make some TikToks, because that's when I make my best TikToks, when your girl had a few drinks in her. So I'm gonna just, I was gonna say I'll end this vlog, but I'm probably not gonna end the vlog yet. I don't know when I'm gonna end this vlog. Let me take these off so y'all can stop seeing a ring light in the back. Y'all, I'm loving this ring light. The Nuring, I can't even say the ring light that everybody got that used to cost $75, and then when I went to go buy it, it cost freaking $89. They're gonna raise the price because it's popular. Anyway, that's the newer ring. I think that's what it's called. I got the box under my bed, but I'm not pulling it out to show it to y'all. The newer ring light, I think is what it's called. So yeah, let me go get my thing. Let me go take a few shots on camera. I guess I can take a few shots on camera. Why not? I'll be right back, y'all. Wow, I was just talking to the camera and didn't push record. Stupid. I'm tired from going to some steps. I got some Crown. Hold on, it's a little too bright. Got some Crown. Pour it up. Watch it all fall out. I gotta start with a little bit of shot. And then, you know what I'm saying, take a sip of lemonade. Wait, let me cheers you up first. Boop, you go. Boop, boop. You hit this, and then you drink. That first shot be deep in your soul. Alright, let's take another one. One more. First one be deep in your soul, y'all. Wait. Hold on, I'm taking my glasses off. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. The smell of alcohol make me sick, but I like drinking it, so. Like smelling it, bleh. But drinking it, go, 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 go. Y'all tell me, what's your favorite drink? I recently, my mom swear that she was drinking this before, and I was like, that's disgusting, but I don't know. But recently, I've been liking to drink Crown and lemonade. Crown is my go-to, what I drink. But if I'm feeling fancy and want to spend a little money, shmoney, I'm buying some Douce. I do want some Douce. I'm not even gonna lie, but I don't feel like walking to the liquor store, so. The liquor store, I mean, is down the street, but your girl don't feel like walking there, so. I don't know, maybe later, by the time I get like 4 more shots of me, I'll have all the energy in the world to want to go to the liquor store. I don't really know yet. All right, let's take another shot. Okay. Boop. Boop. I remember when I was drinking Douce, I was over there throwing that stuff back. Shot. And then I took one shot. And I threw it up. It went down the wrong pipe. And then I started choking. And then I couldn't breathe. You know how scary it is to choke and not breathe? Okay. That's what choking is, right? Y'all, I was so scared. I was like, it was terrible. And then I was like, whoa, okay, I can't take no more shots of this. I can't take no more shots of this. So I started drinking it. I just started sipping on it because no ma'am. And no ma'am, no ma'am, no ma'am. No ma'am, no sir, I couldn't do it. Alright, this is at 4 minutes, so I guess maybe I'll come back when I take another shot. I'm trying to learn this TikTok staring at the blank page before you open up the y'all. Y'all want to see my wallpaper, Christian? If y'all know what this is, tell me. If y'all know what this is from. If y'all know what that's from, tell me for real. Like, for real, tell me. If y'all know what that's from, y'all's hard, because Christian loves it. Anywho, I feel like this vlog is going to be long as shit, so. I'm going to go ahead. I think I'm going to end this vlog right here, y'all. Unless I feel like talking again, or maybe I'll start a new vlog. I don't know yet. I don't know yet. Anyways, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.